So the things that make me happy these days are talking to my family every day, talking to my friends, just going on random drives, watching the view from my terrace, and lastly would be reading my favorite book on the swing at my house.
Hi, this is Sriram from PGP05. So watching trains makes me happy. I can be called ferroequinologist if you go into literal terms, or I can be called rail fan if you want regular terms. So to be frank, even my desktop background is a train. Yeah, that's how trains make me happy.
So yes, this is what makes me more and more happy every day and every minute of my life, along with my family and good friends. If it is added with good food, then it's icing on the cake. But this little one here makes me more happy. Love you. Bye.
Music makes me happy.
Cricket makes me happy.
Good photography is what makes me happy. After a long day of classes and work, my evening coffee in garden makes me feel happy.
Hello everyone. So I am working out from last 6 to 7 years, and gymming make me very happy. It helped me to reduce my stress and feel me very confident, and whenever I feel very low, this is the best things to do for me. It's like a meditation for me also. So yeah, keep doing.
ज़माने के शोर में दिल की आवाज़ को दबा न देना। कहते हैं ज़माने को बदल दिया है जिसने जुनून है दिल को सुना है। Whenever I feel happy or I am sad or I feel like motivating myself, I write poetries. I like expressing myself through my poetries. I find peace and happiness and motivation in my poetries.
Hey everyone, so dancing is an activity which I like the most, and it really makes me happy.
So my source of happiness is my sweet little Dumbo sister.
Sketching makes me happy.
He makes me happy.
Happiness is all about greenery, flowers, plants, and coming close to nature.
Spending time with my dog makes me happy.
And I do a lot of stuff, but dance tops my list. It makes me happy.
Feel of the leather, its grip, the jump, hitting the right length, making the batsman with the raw pace, and finally the steer. This is what makes me happy.
What makes me happy? Being on the good.
What makes me happy? Ball is love, ball is life.
Kobe!